Set up TPLink Archer B550B9300 router in access point mode. Step 1. Connect the router to your main network. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router's LAN port to the LAN port of your main router/modem. This enables it to act as an extension of your existing network. Step 2. Power on the router. Plug in the power adapter and press the power button if necessary. Wait for the router to boot up fully. Step 3. Connect your device to the router. Use Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable to connect your computer or smartphone to the TP-Link router. Step 4. Log into the router's interface. Open a browser and enter the router's IP address, e.g., 192.168.0.1, or the default URL, tplinkwifi.net, then log in with the admin credentials, found on the router label. Step 5. Access operation mode settings. Navigate to the Advanced or Settings menu, and look for the operation mode option. Step 6. Select access point mode. Choose the access point mode option to configure the router as an AP rather than a standard router. Step 7. Set up the wireless network. Customize the SSID, Wi-Fi name, and password for your AP mode network or leave it the same as your main network. Step 8. Save and reboot. Click Save or Apply to confirm changes, and let the router reboot to apply the new settings. Step 9. Reconnect your devices. Connect your devices to the new or existing Wi-Fi network for extended coverage and better performance. Step 10. Test the connection. Verify that the internet is working through the AP by browsing or running a speed test. Thank you.